Assalamualaikum fans, welcome back to another video. So our parents bought us a neon light setup. So it's going to be hung on the wall. Let's see what it is. Oh, we have two boards here. So number one is Musa, my name, and second one is our channel name, MHS Tayyib. So because my favorite color is blue, so M is blue. Harun's favorite color is green, so H is green, and Sulaiman's favorite color is red. And we're going to be setting this up and showing you how it looks. So it comes with two separate chargers, one much bigger than the other because one of them needs and requires more light. We have chains here as well. So come with me and we're going to hang this up in a minute. We have it, guys, my name as a sign. So I've hung it above my table and it looks very nice. So it's connected through a wire all the way down here. This is the MHS Tayyib sign hung on the wall. Same as the Musa sign, we have it connected but with the shorter wire right here.